Hey everyone, since I keep getting asked what it's all about with the GSE on my setup, let me show you how it is created. As you can see in the pictures in the background, last time I flew from Hanover, I spotted this pretty new looking lavatory truck, which makes the perfect opportunity to show you guys the whole building process of a vehicle. I basically start with some research on the vehicle I want to make. In this case, I know not much about it, except that it's a lavatory or toilet vehicle, whatever you want to call it, and that it's pretty modern looking. That basically means there's a very good chance we can just find it by Googling, but since we have an image, we can also reverse image search. Once I find the vehicle I'm looking for, I search for the exact name, and with some luck you can find a technical drawing or at least the specifications like length, height and width. In this case we're lucky and we have a nice technical drawing we can use as a reference in Blender. Blender is the tool I use for actually designing the vehicle. You can probably use all sorts of software for this, but Blender is what I started my 3D printing journey with, hence I stuck to using it. If you expected a tutorial, I have to disappoint you. I am really not an expert and there are a lot of very good Blender tutorials out there, so if you're interested, just search on YouTube. Okay, enjoy this little montage of me creating a printable file and we'll check back in the next step. For 3D printing, I use a Bambu Lab A1 as 3D printer. It comes with Bambu Studio, great software, and it is very reliable in my experience. I always start with test print before starting the color print, just because the color print takes way longer and you want to get it right the first time. Choosing color and setting the supports is all done in Bambu Studio. While the printer is doing its job, we can create some decals. I use PowerPoint again because I know how to use it. You can probably use all sorts of tools for that, and with the reference pictures we can create all needed decals. When I am happy with the decals, I print them on a regular HP inkjet printer on regular paper. I tried a lot of different approaches to this with self-sticking paper, water slate decals in different versions and some other stuff, but using regular paper and gluing it down with all-purpose glue gives the most consistent result for me, at least with this printing technique. The printer is done, so let's assemble everything and look at the result. I hope you enjoyed this small behind the scenes, if you want to call it that. I am quite happy with the result. I can really recommend trying 3D printing out yourself. It really adds a lot of possibilities in model making, especially in Scale 500, where nice GSE is kind of scarce, and it has become very accessible, as you can see. See you next time.